Welcome to Good Samaritan School online health and physical education class. Good morning, children. I am Thenmozhi Kingsly, your physical education teacher. Today, I am going to talk about health and hygiene. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. This innocent sounding rhyme is actually a capsule of wisdom. It tells us exactly what must be done to enjoy a healthy and happy life. The key to happiness is good health, which can only be created by positive practices of good hygiene. Health is actually wealth. In modern times, it has become so important to take care of one's health and hygiene. With the rising population levels, pollution levels, emergence of new viruses, it has to be the priority for everyone to maintain their health and hygiene, as they have become the two most important aspects of life. Health education plays a vital role in community hygiene. To prevent diseases and to have a positive attitude towards health, you need an accurate and complete knowledge about health. We relate health to cleanliness, and cleanliness is one of the principal ways to defend infectious diseases and self-preservation. Now, I will discuss the real importance of health and hygiene so we can achieve the goal of good health through healthy habits and a healthy lifestyle. We need to understand a few things about health and hygiene. What is health? Health is one of the most important characteristics of life that allows you to live longer. According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, spiritual, and communal well-being, not just a lack of disease. And if a person is free of disease or in good physical condition but under stress, tension, anger, etc., he is not considered to be a healthy person. Health is more than any wealth, and for every person, his or her health is important. Therefore, besides physical health, we must also consider mental and emotional health. It can be achieved only if spiritual and social health is achieved and can move towards the welfare of the society. Aspects of health. Let us understand the health aspects. Physical health, when the body is free of physical diseases or abnormalities. Mental health is a state with no stress, tension, worry, negative thoughts, etc. Emotional health is a balanced state of mind with lack of anger, pride, hate, etc. Community health is the art and science of maintaining, protecting, and improving people's health through organized community efforts. Spiritual health, living honestly with oneself and having faith in a religion and respect for another person's religion with equal harmony comes under spiritual health. What is hygiene? Hygiene is the science and art of preserving and improving health. Hygiene allows a person to live in a healthy relationship with the environment. It applies to the individual and the community. Where there will be cleanliness, there will be good health. Our environment has a high impact on our health. Without any hygiene, we cannot maintain a healthy lifestyle. And a healthy lifestyle is a must for today's generation. If our environment is clean, then our health will be good. And if we pollute the environment, it will have adverse effects on our health. Hygiene, whether it is body or home, has a very positive effect on health. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene refers to the practice of keeping the body of an individual clean and free from germs so as to enable a healthy and disease-free life. It can be inculcated in several ways. Clean drinking water. People in villages often bathe, wash clothes, utensils and their livestock in tanks, ponds and wells. Then they use the same water for drinking. If this water is used for drinking purposes, it may cause fatal diseases. For drinking, one must use clean or boiled water. In this way, one can avoid waterborne diseases and maintain health and hygiene. Regular and nutritious meals. Food gives our body strength and also nutrition. It produces energy in us. Thus, the food we eat must be wholesome and beneficial. Fruits, vegetables and dry food items should be washed and cleaned, whereas raw meat and other food items washed and cooked well before eating. A combination of various food groups is the best diet for us. Meals should be taken at fixed times and in fixed quantities. Skipping meals regularly can lead to serious health conditions. Overeating or eating less also causes many diseases. Cleanliness. There is a famous saying that cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is the most important practice to ensure good health. Dirt spreads diseases because germs grow and live in it. Clean clothes and a clean body repel germs and add to overall good health. Daily bathing is compulsory for good health, and it is important to change clothes to avoid fungal infections caused by sweat. Clean teeth and clean nails along with clean habits ensure that the body is not easily prone to viral and bacterial infections. One more important aspect of cleanliness that is very relevant in today's time is to wash hands regularly. Environmental hygiene. Environmental hygiene refers to the practice of maintaining clean surroundings in the place we live in and work in. Environmental hygiene. Environmental hygiene refers to the practice of maintaining clean surroundings in the place we live in and work in, so that the environment is free from pollution and diseases. This is only possible through awareness and education. Health and environmental education of the people can improve the sanitation of their immediate surroundings. Though we try to keep ourselves personally very clean, we usually ignore our surroundings. Environmental hygiene, if practiced and implemented properly, will reduce the incidences of those diseases which are commonly transmitted through contaminated water, food and drinks. We should not allow water to collect around us because mosquitoes and flies breed in it, causing many diseases. These include diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, malaria, dengue, plague, typhoid, etc. Our health depends on cleanliness. The more we keep our surroundings clean, the more we will be healthy. If our environment is clean, it makes us cheerful and help us to engage more in our work and play. This also helps us to interact more with Mother Nature. Remembering health and hygiene, the government has initiated the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India campaign for improving environmental hygiene. This has led to an awareness of the use of closed toilets, keeping the surroundings free of waste and garbage, taking measures against pollution, and safe storage of pure drinking water. It is the responsibility of every person in the nation to make the environment hygienic. Some say that health is an invaluable wealth, and if that is lost, everything is lost. Therefore, to keep ourselves healthy, we need to take care of both cleanliness and health and take steps towards a clean and healthy India. Importance of hygiene. Prevention is always better than cure. As human beings, we are prone to a wide variety of deadly diseases, some of which even medicines cannot cure. Practicing good hygiene prevents you from getting most of these diseases and also helps to rely less on doctors and medicines. If you take proper care of your health and your surroundings, you can socialize with more confidence. Society enjoys only if a person keeps himself or herself clean and healthy. It is well said and proved that a healthy person is someone who has a sound body and a sound mind. Health is one of the characteristics of life that helps a person to live longer. Together, we should take steps towards cleanliness and good health, and it helps to raise the level of a joyful life. Maintaining hygiene and healthy life facilitate the path to success. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy.